Oklahoma Gardening has been airing on OETA since 1975, and in that time technology has changed a lot. In 2010 we began with our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. We thought this would be a great opportunity to bring what we treasure here in Oklahoma to the rest of the world. Recently, YouTube recognized us for having over 100,000 subscribers. And in fact, we're up to now 109,000 subscribers. And as we celebrated, we just wanted to share this news with you. And we thought it would be a fun time to also share some fun facts about our YouTube channel. Since 2010, we have had over 28.7 million views on our YouTube channel. With over 2,300 videos that we have on our YouTube channel, we really like to push our channel as a resource for gardening questions. So you can go onto our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel and search it for any information that you might be looking for that might be some of those unique finds in the gardening world. As I mentioned, Oklahoma Gardening has been airing on OETA since 1975, and in that time technology has changed a lot. So while it actually began being live down in the studio, over time it was pre-recorded. We have even some of those older segments on our OKGardeningClassics YouTube channel if you want to subscribe to it as well. But regardless, if you subscribe, you can opt in to be notified when we upload new videos to either one of those channels. We hope you continue to watch us both on OETA, and if you miss perhaps one of those shows, you can always find us on Oklahoma Gardening YouTube. Thank you again for subscribing to our channel. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OKGardeningClassics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.